welcome to the Hungry Teddy Show! Today I'm gonna show you how to turn instant noodle into instant snack. So what you do is first you get one of the decent instant noodle and then you start to break it. As much as you can. Break them. Take one of these. Okay. I think I need to break this even more. Okay. Now this is going to break it. Open. There are two things inside. Chuck this away. That is what you need. And then you open it. Soup everywhere. Chuck it in. And then you shake it. You shake it like a cocktail. Okay. It can be spicy, so if you don't like spicy food, get something more mild. Another thing you can do, you get some mozzarella cheese, mozzarella, tuck it away, and then shake it again. No, it's horrible. Just stick with the mozzarella. It's horrible with the mozzarella. It's horrible. It's bloody horrible mozzarella. Not good. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Stay hungry.